Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Does lemon juice work for liver detox? The liver is one of the most important organs your body has. In order for it to function at its optimum level, you should also take measures in taking care of it. One effective way of doing this is by cleansing your liver. Now, there are a lot of ways for you to cleanse your liver. But if you want to employ the most convenient way, then it would be by merely drinking lemon juice. So, are you one of the people with the question, does lemon juice detox the liver, in your mind? Then this video would be perfect for you. First off, let us tackle the benefits of taking in lemon juice for your liver. By adding lemon juice to your glass of water during meals, you would actually be aiding your stomach in the digestion of your food. This is because lemon juice has certain components that stimulate your digestive juices to process your food more thoroughly. What's more, lemon juice helps in the prevention of the entrance of undigested food into your bloodstream. This is actually the job of the liver already, the filtering of the undigested food, so that these food particles would not enter your bloodstream. The undigested food is termed as contaminates. By the intake of lemon juice, the liver is relieved of some of its workload. So, are you still going to ask the question, does lemon juice detox the liver? If this is not enough to convince you of the benefits of lemon juice, then let's go to another component of lemon juice. This component is none other than vitamin C. With this component alone, the question, does lemon juice detox the liver, will indeed have an affirmative right off the bat. This is because vitamin C is an antioxidant. As an antioxidant, lemon juice can cleanse your blood from whatever toxins that might have found their way into your bloodstream. What's more, whatever radicals there may be in your bloodstream can be neutralized by the antioxidant in lemon juice. Lemon juice, in this sense, still acts as a filter system. So, do you still have the question, does lemon juice detox the liver, in mind? Lemon juice can also help in removing gallstones from the bladder. When you mix lemon juice with olive oil and Epsom salts, the bile produced by your liver is not used anymore. The pileup of bile will soon pressure the gallstones right outside of your bladder. And are you still wondering, does lemon juice detox the liver? Because from these facts, it is quite clear that it does. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.